So I was trying to get a lot of money for my new life, and I realized that I needed a really good farm. I found out that a diamond farm would be really good, but the problem was there were no tutorials on a good diamond farm. So I decided to just make my own farm that is cost efficient and cost effective. Now I have the best diamond farm in Block Tycoon. Okay, so here is the diamond farm. As you can see, it's pretty space efficient. I mean, it's really not that big for generating 2 trillion per second on life 13. Just crazy. Like, it's only 11 blocks wide, and well, I guess height doesn't really matter for most people. It can go up pretty much as high as you want it to go. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so making this is actually really easy. So for each layer, what you're gonna need is 13 diamond drills, 1 diamond refiner, 2 diamond polishers, 2 diamond block makers. You're gonna need item pipes, a building block, and you're gonna need chests. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to start, you're gonna wanna place your 13 drills from right to left. And if you don't have 13, place them from left to right, by the way, because you want to make sure you have your 13th on the very end on the left side. So I'm just gonna start placing. Okay, so I placed my 13 drills, and then you're gonna want to go through really quickly and just place an item pipe, like a row across all of them. Alright, so now on the left side, make sure you have this spot open and no pipe there. And then you want to get your refiner out and place it so that the in, as you can see, is not where a pipe is. Just like that. So there's no pipe going into the in right now. Alright, and then the output right here. And you want to get your pipes out now. You want to place 1 pipe on the output, and then you want to go out 2. Just like this. Alright, and still make sure nothing's connected there. And then what you want to do is get your polishers, and you want to place 1 polisher. You want to make sure you have 2 for this. 1 polisher is right in front of the output like that, and then 1 is right next to that one. So it should look like this. And then at the polishers, just connect their outputs with a pipe like this. Alright, and now we want to get the block compactors or whatever over here. So when the in is pointing towards the closest pipe to you right here, you want to go out 1, 2, just like that. So there should be 2 pipes that you can place in there. And then what you want to do is place another one right on top of there with the in also facing the polishers over here, and then connect to that one with a pipe just like that. All right, and now just place a chest right here on the outputs of these block compactors. So yeah, that is 1 layer. And to actually connect it, all you have to do is place your pipe right here on the end so it actually connects to the input. So as you can see, it compacts and makes the diamonds dirty diamonds right here, and then they go into the polisher, and then they get turned into beautiful polishable diamonds, and then they come here, and then basically it collects 4 diamonds, and then it makes a diamond block. So now we have a diamond block, and that's just 1 layer. I'm going to show you guys how to stack it vertically. But yeah, each layer with 13 drills is at its max efficiency. The refiner is always being used, polisher is always being used, and this is always being used. They're not being overused. Stuff isn't really waiting to get in all the time. So it's cost effective, and it's also space effective. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make the second layer. So to make the second layer, or any layer past the first layer, all you want to do is go on top of your little refiner thing right here, the big one, get your building block out and place up 1, 2, 3, and then on the 3rd block you want to go over left towards the drills, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it should be directly over the drill right here on the bottom left, and I can break all the other blocks. So now you're just left with the bottom left drill right here, and then you want to build to the right towards the final drill just like this. Alright, once you've done that, you want to get your drills out and just start placing them like this. Alright, so it should line up perfectly just like this. They should all be right above each other, and they should end in the same spot. And now you want to quickly go through and add item pipes on all of them just like this. You can just place an item pipe on it like that. Make sure to connect all the item pipes. Alright, so the second row is all the way connected with pipes just like this. And now what you want to do is you want to place leftmost bottom left drill on the second layer. You want to build 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks out just like this, and then you want to do that 1, 2, 3 times, and then, or 4 times I guess, and then on this one right here you want to go out an extra 2, and then you want to go and do the 4 again, but start here above this polisher. So then we go out 1, 2 like that, so it should cover this polisher. and then you just want to fill that. So basically all we just did was cover this whole thing right here. So we covered the refiner and we covered the polishers, and now you just want to place the refiner and polishers the same way. So we place the refiner right here so that the pipe is not touching it, so it's like, you know, the open spot where there's no pipe right now. And then we want to place a pipe on the output right here, and then go out too. And then we get the polisher out, place the polisher so that the in is right across from the output of the refiner, and then place another polisher right here, so it should look like this. All right, and then we want to connect right here the outputs of the polishers, and now all we have to do is place a pipe going from the bottom polisher like this all the way to the top of the next polisher right here. So it should have a pipe going straight down. And now remember, for every row we need 2 of these like block makers, so make sure to place 2 with the ends facing towards the polishers like this. And then all we have to do is place chests on them, on the outputs, and then place 6 more of those. So no, it was 4. Make sure to connect it right as well. But anyways, they should all be connected like this, all stacked. And yeah, so if you just repeat that process, you could probably do it faster. You probably don't need these blocks right here, but it's just a base to build on. So yeah, if you just repeat that process, you should be able to make as many layers as you want. Just remember, for each layer you need 2 of these block makers for max efficiency. But something I noticed is whenever you make a new layer, all the other layers will just magically stop working. If that happens to you, either leave and rejoin, or you can break this connection right here between the drills and the refiner, and then just replace it. And as you can see, stuff started going in again. I don't know why it does that. It's probably like a little bug in the game, but yeah, hopefully the owner will fix that. Also, if you notice that these diamond block makers right here aren't being used, this is most likely because you just made a layer, or this farm is just starting up and it hasn't made enough like diamonds to get there. But if it has been running for a while, I'd probably just leave and rejoin, because these have been running for a bit and there's nothing there, which means there's probably a bug with the pipes. But yeah, whenever you're ready to sell, all I have to do is get your diamonds out, place a cash block, and then just hold Q or the drop button, and boom, $7 quadrillion. It's a lot of money.